In this video, I'm going to teach you how to buy warm-up email domains on Instantly AI. In order to do that, you just need to head over to their website, which is Instantly.ai. From in there, you can actually create an account by clicking onto this Start for Free option, or if you already have an account, proceed to click onto this Login option right there in order to successfully log in. On my case, since I already have an account, let me just head over and log in. So I've already logged in and here is my actual dashboard. To buy pre-warmed up emails, what you can do is you can navigate to the email accounts, which is this icon, and then from in there click onto this add new. In here you can see some options for free warm accounts, so click on continue right here. You can find in here some accounts that you can actually use, and you can also search for free warm accounts that you can actually head over and then get. On my case, let's choose this hyperzen.co. Click on that. And in here, you can actually see its price. Click on next. After that, input right here your forwarding domain that you wish to use. Do take note that you cannot change names or domains for free warm accounts, and we already have in here this. So we have the providers for that, the persona, the email for them, the domain that they have, as well as the price that we have for those free warm accounts for this. You can add your forwarding domain as well if you would want. Then you can see in here the subtotal, which is a monthly price, the domain annual price, and the total price. So your subscription will automatically renew on 15th of each month. So if you have 5 accounts right here, you will pay $65 now. And then for next month, you will pay $50 and so on and so forth until you reach your first year. Click on this place order in order to buy that. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.